Hey, what's up everyone? I got a cool video today. In this video, you're going to learn how to 10 times your Amazon affiliate earnings with a secret WordPress hack exposed. So what I'm going to be showing you, if you're an Amazon affiliate of any sort, Amazon Associates, I have a WordPress plugin. It's new on the market that I've been using on one of my sites. And they're already starting to rank within the past week. And this is a new site with like a domain authority of 1. If you know what domain authority, for those of you watching this video that know what domain authority is, it's only a 1, so it's like very, very low. And I'm going to be building that as time goes on. But since they're already ranking, that's a good, very good sign right off the gate. And I'm creating these blog posts in literally minutes using this new software with WordPress. And what it does is I'm going to show you right now. So hang on tight here, and I'm going to go over to my WordPress blog, tell you all about it, and how you can try this out absolutely free. The link's going to be down below in the video description box. Click that link, and they'll let you try it out for free to see how you like it. And if you're getting the same experience I am, you're going to love it. So that being said, let me show you what this thing is and what it does and how it can help your business. So let's go over to the site and show you what it is. Let me pop this back open again. And we're on my site here. And this plugin is called Gizmo AI. And like I said, you can try it out for free below. And what it does is you got a product, you could do product reviews, product roundups, like the 10 best treadmills of 2023, for example. And all you do is you go over to your Amazon account. If you're an Amazon affiliate, you're going to hook up your Amazon ID to the software. So it'll add your Amazon affiliate link and everything that you do. So if you're doing, I'm doing a 10 best rowing machines here. And I got, see, they're already picked out. So you got a nice picture from Amazon, and you got 10 of them. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what you do in this scenario, and this is just an example, is what I'm going to do is go and add. Click add. Click add. I'm going to go through the whole list here. And I've already went over to Amazon, obviously, and added all these. There's 10 of them. You're going to put your SEO keyword right in here. And we're going to go with, these are rowing machines. We're going to just put in best rowing machines of 2023. And now we're done. You can see the picture. That's a featured picture. It's already done. Your featured image. And you could change it if you want, but that looks pretty good. And all you do is you put your keyword in there. You're going to click Create Roundup Post. Working, please wait. When this process is done, the post will be added automatically to your WordPress posts as a draft. And I'm going to show you what this looks like in literally minutes. This was already set up, but it takes you literally probably about 10 minutes to go over to Amazon and add 10 products that are, 4 stars or above rated. If you've bought the products, that's even better. That way you know they're good. You just want to obviously recommend good products. So it doesn't take you very long to go over to Amazon and add, 10 products. So you go to all the posts, and we're going to go to the best. This is the one they just made for me. I just showed you. It come up with best rowing machines 2023 top picks for effective home workouts. If you want to change that back end, you can. So we're going to click edit. We're going to go over to our post. And this is what came out in literally minutes. And these are all monetized with my affiliate link, my Amazon affiliate link. You got nice pictures, buy on Amazon. You got 121 ratings. People can click on that to see the ratings, and it leads with your Amazon affiliate link. And I'm going to actually show you this, how it comes out with me not doing anything, so you can get an idea of what it is. So here we go. Best rowing machines 2023. This came up right out of the gate for me, adding the 10 best of products. Got your featured image, and you got, look at that, 10 in a row. All your products, nice little pictures with the ratings next to it, 5 stars, how many ratings. Buy on Amazon. Guess what? It's all your affiliate links, so you get paid a commission every time somebody clicks on that affiliate link and buys the said product, whatever product you are promoting. How does it read? The J King Fit rowing machine is one of the best rowing machines of 2023. It offers a versatile and effective home workout solution combining aerobic and anaerobic exercise with arm strength training. The machine operates quietly and features an adjustable LCD monitor, making it user-friendly. With its sturdy construction and space-saving design, it is an excellent investment for a home gym. Then it's got your pros, it's got your cons, and it's got all that good stuff. You can see there, then you got the next one. The pros, I can't even pronounce this one. The DMA Sun rowing machine uses thicker raw materials, making it durable and long-lasting compared to similar machines on the market. Everything reads perfectly. It's set up phenomenally. Look how nice this looks. This would take me forever to do this on my own. And I'm going to go through the whole post here. And that's it. And all you got to do is go in here. Change the URL. You want to make it a little smaller, obviously. Go after your keywords. I'd use best rowing machines. Take out the rest of it. And I'd take that out. Good to go. Pick the right category. And then you want the tags are already added for you, but they're not what I would put. But at least there's something there. I'd put, obviously, the title, Best Rowing Machines in here. And I want to spell it right. Enter, and then maybe a couple more related to that. And then you click publish, you're done. I effectively created a blog post in literally minutes. Now, like I said, the cool thing about this is, let's see if I can get back here. Leave. And we're going to go back into my site here. Edit post. And I let go back. Hang on a minute here. Let's get back into this site. There we go. So now we're back. We're going to go up to Gizmo AI. Okay, we're back on Gizmo here. And so that was a 10 best of post right there. I showed you how easy it was. Product review. The same thing, but you're not going to use 10 posts. You can just use a couple, and it's got a video that walks you through every single one of these products. So if you're doing a product review, it says creating your first product review post. First, if you haven't already done so, add a product from Amazon using the Gizmo. It's just you download the Chrome extension or they got one that works for Firefox and all that stuff, Microsoft products. And step one, preparing the products. Once you have added a product from Amazon, it will be listed at the table below. Next to every newly added product, you will see a prepare button. Click the button and wait for the process to finish. Once the process is done, the button will change to review. Step 2, creating the review. Click the review button to complete the review creation process. The review will be added to your WordPress post automatically as a draft for you to review and publish, which I just showed you how to do. Drop dead simple to easy to use all these features. It makes it easy. You can do a product review, product roundup. I like this one the best because you can do 10 best. I always do 10 best of posts using this software. You can also do general content. If someone's asking a question or it's just general content in your niche, you can use this. And you can add 4 products from Amazon, even if it's a general content type post. So every post you make will be monetized with your Amazon affiliate links. So it's awesome. It is what I'm using it for is I can this is a newer blog and I'm trying to get 100 posts as fast as possible. And with this software, you can do that super quick. You could do, depending on how long you want to sit on your computer, but you can do 10 posts a day if you wanted to. The way I do it, I take my time a little bit. I'll add, I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll add, I have a way of doing it where I can, where it comes out more human sounding. It'll pass a lot of the AI detection tools that are on the market. I use creative and a humorous tone, and then I'll kind of put my input in as well. I have a video that shows you how to do that too. If you sign up to my email list, link to that will be below too, and that's like an hour long. It's filled with a ton of good information on how to do that. But I'll add the intro, and then I'll add the conclusion to those posts. So I take a little longer than I have to, basically. But if you just want to publish them right out the gate, which they're good to go, this is an excellent tool. I really like it. So I'm going to be using it for the foreseeable future. And like I said, my blog posts are ranking. There's a couple that are in the top 10 already, and it's only been a week, which is crazy because this is a newer blog. It doesn't have a lot of domain authority. And they're all moving in the right direction. So 2 thumbs up for this. Awesome product. If you want to check it out for free and elevate your content marketing, get your SEO up, get more organic traffic. And then, like I said, all your posts are going to be monetized with your Amazon affiliate links, which will make you hopefully a lot of money in the process. Just do a good keyword research, write the best of posts, do the right reviews, use the right keywords. So you need a good keyword research tool as well. You don't want to be flying blind. You want to write content that you can potentially rank for. So love the tool. Gizmo AI is awesome, and it's a great way for Amazon affiliates to increase their commissions quite fast, because you can make a lot of posts with this software. It'll take you forever to do this yourself. So 2 thumbs up. Check it out for free on the link directly below. If you like this video, or if you bought this software, it's relatively new on the market. Leave your reviews below. Let me know what you think of it, how you like it, and if it's helping you grow your business. But awesome software, and it's going to really help you scale. And I'm going to be using it on this blog for the foreseeable future. So I will keep you guys updated on how well my posts are ranking, and if my organic traffic is going up a lot as the months go on. So check it out. All right, peace. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.